welcome back to Eat Well, Live Well. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
And we are very excited to be back, and we are bringing you in this series, Fall into Flavor, because where are we at in the seasons? Fall. And while most of us technically think pumpkins, like it's pumpkin spice everything in the fall,
Right.
there's so many other incredible flavors that we really want to present to you that really are seasonal for this time of year. We're talking apples, Brussels sprouts, carrots, fresh herbs, warming spices, and even kind of coming into fall, tomatoes and corn.
Correct.
Yeah. So we're going to bring all of these to you in this series, and we always want to ask first if you would please subscribe, like, comment. It's the only ask we have so that we can continue to bring fabulous recipes your way that you can enjoy throughout the year.
Right. Yes.
So today we're going to get started, and what do we have today, Susan?
It's a late harvest salad.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. So this is like a transitional salad.
From summer into fall. So you get the late season tomatoes and a crop of corn usually at the very end.
Yeah.
Oh, and goodness, this corn is super sweet today.
Nice.
Yeah, so it gives a great flavor to our salad we're gonna make.
All right, perfect. So we've got a lot of ingredients. It's still gonna have a lot of bright summer
Yes,
colors,
correct.
but it is a good transition coming into fall, like you just said, with those things.
Yes.
So
And it's got all the crunch that we usually like in the summertime.
Yeah.
So if you're not quite ready for that, you know, to fall into the like Brussels sprouts and all that where they're a little bit softer, then this is a great salad for you.
yeah, and honestly, I'm just gonna throw in.
Oh, yeah, sure.
If you're here in Texas, you don't really know it's fall yet.
Oh. It tried a few weeks ago, but no.
Yeah, it's like 90 degrees here still.
Still.
Yeah.
Still. So
All right.
first we're gonna add our tomatoes.
All right, perfect. So the tomatoes are a powerful antioxidant for everyone. They're great for your skin health, and they have vitamin C for immunity.
And I love the color.
And the color.
Yeah. Now we're looking like Christmas because here goes our cucumbers with
Right.
the red and the green.
Which cucumbers, I always consider them a solid source of water. They're very hydrating, again, loaded with lots of antioxidants.
Yep. And then here we have some red bell pepper.
And so I don't know if you know, red bell pepper is one of the best sources of vitamin C. Yeah, and vitamin C helps you absorb other nutrients. So we do need vitamin C. And it's one that you can get a lot of through your food.
And it's pretty too. I mean, just that right there. Lots of color, lots of reds and greens. Very, very pretty.
Oh my God, that is Christmassy.
It
Could
is
have done a
very
Christmas
Christmassy.
salad.
And then to that, we're gonna add it's a roasted corn. And actually, I was like, oh man, I was hot, number one. I was like, I don't want to like go outside, fire up my grill, just to grill a couple of, things of corn. Corn on the cob, a couple of cobs. That's what I was trying to get to. So guys, I stuck it in my air fryer, 10 minutes. It was done. It was
On the cob?
on the cob, the whole thing in it.
Did you put anything
All
on?
I did was spray a little bit of the avocado oil. You could have rubbed it down with some olive oil or whatever and put some seasoning on it.
Yeah.
But since we're using it in the salad, I just wanted it to be roasted and have that roasted flavor. And the more like you cooked it, the sweeter it becomes.
So 10 minutes in the air fryer.
Yes, on the low.
On the low.
So you don't want it to go over 400 degrees.
Oh, that's really good to know.
I mean, boom,
Yeah.
it was ready.
Yeah, yay. And we were laughing earlier about corn because we're like, corn is one of those things you eat one day and you see it the
Hello.
next.
Hello. And then we're gonna add some chickpeas into that.
Yeah, and chickpeas, great source of fiber and a nice plant-based protein.
All right, so I'm gonna set that aside, and now we're gonna make our dressing. And Nancy, if you don't mind, you do. We're gonna put a clove of garlic in here. And so Nancy has the garlic press. That's just to clean it later. Yes, so this is the Pampered Chef garlic press. And what is great about it is you don't have to take the outside shell off. You can just squeeze it And there it is.
Gotta practice my working
Yeah, you
out.
gotta practice that grip strength.
So let me
there.
ask.
Yeah.
So this actually was just the other day I was making something with garlic, and the garlic peel sticks to my hands. Does that ever happen to you?
No.
Like I couldn't get, like every time I would cut the garlic and then I'm smashing it to kind of get the skin
Yeah.
off, and the peel part sticks to my hands, and then I have to go wash it. It's a whole project.
Yeah,
So this is
no.
way better.
That is way better. Yes.
Right. And this
then,
would just
and
scrape
then you
this?
can just take it and scrape it off. There you go.
Yeah, I really gotta get this.
That's really beautiful. So I'm gonna add some tahini in here.
Oh, tahini. So
love
tahini is
it.
made from sesame seeds. It is rich in calcium, magnesium, healthy fats that support bone health, and hormone balance. It is really a great addition to any plant-powered plate to really give that extra fullness too.
Okay, and then you wanna whisk, and I'm gonna drizzle in the lemon juice. So see, it's a very, very simple dressing to go on the salad. And it's not gonna hide the flavors. That's what I like about it. It won't hide all the flavors.
I like
And
that.
I think we're gonna need a little bit of water.
Water.
So
Because I'm just
gonna borrow some
thinking,
from my
there's no
sister.
oil in this, right?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I love it. I love it.
So we're gonna add a little bit of water and let's whisk. There, that's looking better.
Yeah.
Because you want it to have a little bit of fluidness to it, not just like a paste.
Yeah.
You want it to be more like a dressing. We might need a little bit more.
Perfect. I like it that it's oil-free. I say this often, definitely not against oils. I'm not one of those
Right.
people that is like oil-free. Use them in a lot of recipes, but when you can, if you can sub out not having oil, then you get more, you can kind of eat your healthy fats in a different way.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
Yeah. And if you're not careful with oil, you can pack on a lot of calories really fast.
All right, so if you'll just,
Oh my God, it's so many jobs.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I know.
Oh, and she always has the cutest little tools here.
Again, a little pampered chef.
The tiny little spatula.
Yes, that's a must in a kitchen because there's always that little something you've got to get into. And if you have those big old spatulas, you can't. Smells good too, doesn't it? So then we're just gonna toss this all together.
This is so pretty, and I can see why it's such a beautiful transition salad because it does have a heartiness to it.
Right.
So even though it's the term salad, and it has a lot of the summer kind of elements that we think of with food, bringing in this tahini dressing that is just beautiful and delicious gives it that comfort feeling. And that is what I think a lot of food, when people think of the fall foods,
Right.
it's comfort.
Comfort.
And I heard this, and like the comfort food is the grounding foods. It's like our root veggies, like
Oh,
potatoes and
yes.
squash and the things that come from the ground, and that's
Yes.
why we gain comfort because we're grounded.
I love that.
Yeah.
I've never heard that before.
Anyway, little tip. I think when I took the Forks Over Knives course.
You heard that.
I heard that.
I love that. Okay, well that's our salad. We're gonna come back and do a little taste test. So here, we're gonna do a taste test. Let's see.
All right.
You gotta make sure
No, I
you get
gotta
one
figure
little piece of everything,
Everything. That's
right?
tricky, right?
It is, especially with that corn.
Okay. Oh my
doesn't it?
God, how am I gonna look decent eating this?
I know, right?
They're all
Okay.
big. I love the crunch.
And I love that the tahini just brings out the flavors of the tomatoes and the cucumbers, and then that corn hits you.
Yeah,
Really nice with the roasting of that.
that was delicious. And if you want, like, you can eat this completely as is. You can have it as a side
Yes.
of something. And then if you still wanted to put it on a big layer of greens, you can do that too. So super versatile.
Yes, and myself, I might take some of the tahini dressing, and so I can get a little extra protein, do some extra firm tofu,
Yeah.
and stick it in the air fryer for a few minutes.
Yeah, someone's speaking my language.
Yeah.
All right, so this is our first recipe in the series. All the details will be below. And as always, we thank you for being here. And we will be back with episode 2.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.